Today we will show you how to remove and replace the freezer light switch on this GE French door refrigerator.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
The only reason to replace the light switch will be if the light will not turn on.
Stop. Be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
For video purposes, we have removed the freezer door. To normally do this repair, removal of the door is not needed. To remove the switch, on the top and the bottom there are two tabs that you press in, and then the switch will pop out of the liner. Unplug your terminals, and your switch is removed. To test your door switch, you're going to take your meter, you're going to set it up for ohms of resistance. You're going to take one lead, put it on one terminal, the other lead on the other. With the switch closed, it should show no resistance, and with the switch open, you should have infinite ohms. To install your new switch, you're going to slide your wires onto the terminals. Tuck the wires into the liner, and then press the switch in, and that'll complete the repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.